Now we are concentrating on sum number 6, 7 and 8, and we're done with the exercise and the chapter. Now sum number 6 says the HCF and LCM of two numbers are 5 and 385 respectively. If one of the two numbers is 55, find the other number. So I had explained to you in my previous videos about the relationship between HCF and LCM and their numbers, or the HCF and LCM of whose numbers are there. So if you take any two numbers and find their HCF and LCM, when you multiply their HCF and LCM, the answer should be the same as when you multiply the two numbers of whom those HCF and LCM are. So you have to put the formula out here. I have put the formulas in my previous video. Follow that very carefully. Now to do the sum, first I take down all my information. The HCF out here is 5 and the LCM out here is 385. Now one of the numbers is given, so we will call it the given number. If one of the number is 55, so number given is 55. I have to find the other number. Question mark. I have to find the other number. To find the other number, you have to put the formula. The other number will always be equal to the HCF multiplied by the LCM and divided by the number that has been given. Number given. So I have these three, and these three are going to help me to find the other number using the formula. So the other number is always HCF into LCM divided by the number given. If I am finding HCF, then multiply the two numbers and divide by LCM. If I am finding LCM, then multiply the two numbers and divide by HCF. These three formulas you must know. So the other number would be HCF is 5, LCM is 385. I put the numbers where they belong. HCF comes where HCF is written, LCM comes where LCM is written. Number given is 5. Number given is 5. Sorry, if one of the numbers is 55, the number that is being given is 55, not 5. Sorry for that. Number given is 55. So the number given is 55, HCF is 5 and LCM is 385. Now remember children, when you have all these numbers with a division mark, everything will cancel. Everything will cancel to give. So when I get all of this, a number multiplied by a number divided by a number, all this will cancel and give you a perfect answer. If it is not cancelling, that means you are doing your sum wrong. It has to cancel. It has to cancel. Each number out here will cancel and give you a perfect answer. So 5 cancels 55, 5 ones are 5, 5 11s are 55. And this 11 will cancel this number for sure, 100%, because you have to get a perfect answer. The other number has to be a perfect number. It can't be a decimal or a fraction. So 11 ones are 11, 11 threes are 33, carry 5, 11 fives are 55. And here you see you get your perfect answer, that is number 35. Now I write my final statement. The other number is 35, and I am done with the sum. This is how this particular sum has to be done. Let's go to the next sum, sum number 7. Sum number 7 says the HCF, find the LCM of 27 and 90 and use the LCM to find their HCF. So they've given us the two numbers, they've not given us LCM, they've not given us HCF. So first we have to find the LCM, then apply the formula and then find the HCF. So the two numbers are, we will call it number 1 and number 2. The first number that they've given us is 27 and the second number that they've given us is 90. Now they are telling us find the LCM. Once you have found the LCM, then use this formula and find the HCF. So first I'll find the LCM of 27 and 90. So 27 and 90, I first find the LCM. Does 2 divide 27? No, it divides 90. So 27 comes down. 2 4s are 8, carry 1, 2 5s are 10. Now none of them are divisible by 2. I go to my next prime number. 2 plus 7, 9, divisible by 3. Next prime number is 3. 4 plus 5, 9, divisible by 3. Because both of them when you add you get 9 and 9 is divisible by 3. So these numbers will also be divisible by 3. So 3 9s are 27. 3 1s are 3, carry 1, 3 5s are 15. 9 and 15 again are divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. 5 is no more divisible by 3, but 3 is divisible by 3. So 3 1s are 3, 5 comes down. The number that is not divisible by that prime number is to be copied down. The next prime number is 5 and 5 1 1. Now I multiply to get my LCM. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. So my LCM would be 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So from here to here I will write 80, 3 5s are 15. From there to there I will write 50. All now I need to do is multiply 18 and 50. 5 8s are 40. 5 1s are 5 and 4, 9, cancel. 1 8s are 8, 1 1s are 1. So 0, 9, 8, 17, 270. So my LCM is now 270. Now using the LCM and the two numbers given and applying the formula, I will find the HCF. This is my rough work, this can go. I'll rub that out. So now I have the two numbers and I have the LCM. What would be the formula for HCF? HCF is equal to product of two numbers divided by the LCM. Product of the two numbers divided by the LCM. So the HCF would be product of the two numbers. That means I have to multiply 27 and 90. 27 into 90, and I have found the LCM. I have found the LCM 270. Now see the cancellation. Remember children that it will definitely cancel till you are left with a perfect number, because the HCF or LCM or the first number or the second number are going to be perfect numbers. They are not going to be decimal numbers. They are not going to be fractions. So this cancellation has to be perfect. If you are not getting your cancellation perfect, that means you are doing the sum wrong. Now end zeros I can always cancel. 0 cancels 0. And now you can see 27 ones are 27. 27 ones are 27. Everything's cancelled. 1 into 9, 9. So my HCF out here is 9. I hope you've understood this sum. They've given us the two numbers and told us to find the LCM, and then using the LCM they have told us to find the HCF. So I will work out my sum, find the LCM, then put the formula, and the formula for HCF is product of two numbers divided by LCM. So multiply the two numbers that have been given and divided by the LCM that you have found. Once you cancel, you will get a perfect answer. Let's go to the last sum of this chapter, and they say in the last sum, number 8, the HCF of 13 and 169 is 13. Find the LCM. So the HCF of 13 and 169. So the numbers are, number 1 is 13, number 2 is 169, and they have told us that the HCF is also 13. HCF is equal to 13. They have asked us to find the LCM. LCM is what I need to find out here. LCM is what I need to find out here using the formula. What is the formula for LCM? LCM would be equal to the product of the two numbers. Product of the two numbers divided by their HCF. So the LCM would be product of the two numbers. Numbers are 13 and 169. So 13 into 169. And what is the HCF? HCF is 13. Now I cancel and get my answer. 13 ones are 13. 13 ones are 13. What is the LCM? 169. And that's how this sum is to be done. With that, we come to the end of the exercise as well as the chapter. We'll be moving into our new chapter when we meet in our next video or next session. Do take very good care of yourselves and keep all your work updated.